Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Forex Surfers for analyzing the major currency pairs Bitcoin, gold, silver, crude as well as S&P 500 and US 30. So before we get into that this week analyzing, so this is my disclaimer. So have a look, read carefully, and I'm not responsible for any losses if you took the trade according to my trade plans. So these are the watch list. Regularly what we are analyzing the pairs DXY, Euro USD, GBP USD. So first we will get into the DXY. So this is my weekly chart. So whether this is in downtrend, the ABC is over. So whether it is continuing to the upside for the bullish, or it can continue as a connecting wave, and one more ABC to the downside is possible. So we have to watch that. So currently we are in the correction for the downtrend. So daily, have a look. So from the low, the weekly, so from the low it's A, B, C is over. So I took it as an irregular flat of expanded flat. So this could be a 5-wave corrective structure. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 as an irregular flat. And now we are in that ABC to the 5th wave to the upper side. Or whether it is continue to more complicated corrections here, it could possible. So right now, if I took it as an irregular flat, the 4th wave is completed here, or it's a X wave is completed here, we are in that Y wave. Or if we took it as a W, X, A, B, C, it's a 5-wave corrective structure is ended here. It's a simple A, B and C is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is a ended here means we are in the downtrend. So that 5 already it's over, 5-wave structure. So whether it is the end of the C wave for the 4th wave, or this is the starting of the first wave to the bearish first wave, or A, and we are in the B and C wave has to come down. So either this two possibilities now. So according to the daily view, I took it as an irregular flat in the wave 4, and these are all diagonal patterns what I have explained previously. So currently I am expecting one A, B, C is over. So whether it will continue to that connecting wave and again one more ABC is possible, or it will continue like this kind of diagonal wave for the Y wave is possible. This kind of waves, all three waves, because the starting of this here also it's look like all three waves. It's A, B, C, A, B and C. It's a W, and X I took it as an irregular flat as per what I expected in the previous. Also it according to here I have bought and I sold that AU, NU, and after once it reached last week I told I'm expecting to this zone. So right now it seems like it ended here, we are in the uptrend. So currently what I'm expecting this week is the A is finished here, I took it as a B is ended here, and we are in the C wave for the 5-wave structure. So this could be a wave 1 completed, or if it is still a complex correction means Again we will consolidate here. How it is possible means it can either go like this up to here, so the whole wave become ABC, again it's a W, again the connecting wave has to come for the X wave, and then again ABC. So like that it has to travel, otherwise it could simply end it at here at 98.3, what is my previous, and then again it can fall as a further downside near to the 94 zone here. So that is my view as per. So whether it could be an triangle in the B way is also possible, because A is ended here, so I took it as an irregular. So if it is a triangle means it is a little bit confusion here, because it's already dead expanded flat. So I'm thinking the C wave has to come to this zone. I'm expecting the C wave. So whether if it done like this to the downside, so that is, but without breaking this low, so there is will be a lot of consolidation here, it's going on still. Or it could do like this also from here. This could be an intermediate of that connecting wave, and again one more way to the downside is possible to break this low, but not this low. It has to break only this low if it is possible, and it has to bounce once it break this low. So then B wave will become here. So this whole thing becomes an ABC, and this is the connecting wave, and again one more ABC to break this means the B wave intermediate wave is a complex correction, and then again C wave has to shoot to 98.43 or 98.3 or 98.5, and it has to getting rejected in this zone also. So again if it is a bullish also, it has to get rejected in this zone, and again it will break this and then retested, and then again it has to go to upper side. So once it break this low, this trend line I'm expecting here, so this is what 98.3. so once it came to the downside, once it reached here in the three-way structure, so this could be an possible for that upside, and I'm expecting it has to break that 103.82. What is my previous positional wave count to complete that Y wave near this zone. So above the 105 I'm expecting. So in 4 hours and 1 hour, yeah, the 1 hour same. What I'm looking now currently in this zone I'm looking for, it's a still bullish only for the one leg. If it is a bearish also, it has to get rejected and make one more new low in the three-way structure. Again it has to go to break that 103.82 and this 102.9 and the previous also in the fourth wave here. This has to break, and again the previous high was here 103.82. so this is, it has to break this to complete that whole structure. So let's move on. This is my expectation in DXY. So let's move on to Euro USD. So I'm not going to show that previous what I have did and what now it's doing, but because it took more time. So if you are a follower, you just play back that previous stream and then you come to know our analyzers, what we expected and what it does in that this week. So Euro USD also, it's a big consolidation. Here what I did is in that NFP, before the NFP I had already shorted at exactly at 1.285, and then I didn't book any profit. Still I'm holding that because my expectation is it has to reach this zone. That is my target, and I already updated in my trading view. So I already did, and if it the NFP, if it comes to that 1.340, 1.1340, my second entry was there, but it didn't trigger and it came down. It came down nearly 70 pips, but I didn't done anything because it's a little bit aggressive fall. So what I'm thinking is, if it is a consolidated here, and again I'd already retested this broken zone, so whether it is going to do like this and then it has to fall, or it may fall from here also, because it's already broken this low. It's looking like an expanded flat here for the B wave correction, and then it has to fall for the C wave. So I'm expecting, if this is an W, X is a running flat, A is completed here. So if it is a B, means we have to took it as a 1, wave 1. So wave 2 has to end it here, and then the third wave to the downside. I'm expecting nearly 1.050, or if it is getting more complex correction, means what it will do is this becomes a W, X and Y. So because this is an impulsive wave, whether we are going to took it as an irregular flat here, if it is completed, it has to reach down. But whether it's already ended the three-way structure here, means if the three-way structure is got ended here, so this is now impulsive, means I'll change the color. If it is impulsive, means we are took it as an A, so B, or it could be an W, X, A, B, C. What it will happen is this W become here, have to change, and X can go above this high also, that will become the expanded flat. Or if, once again I will delete all those things, drawings. Yeah, it will come to this zone, and again what it will do is it will do like this. So this becomes W here, the ABC is a W, so this becomes a connecting wave. So X become here, and again A, B, once again, sorry, yeah, X will become here. So this as an connecting wave, and again A, B, C is possible. So anyway, I am looking only the downtrend. The structure is not get ready to go to that as a bullish. Still the DXY has to reach that 98.3, or if it gets that little bit consolidation or complex correction, so here also it will took. So just I am explaining the possibilities. It can do like this, or as per the previous, this could be become a W, this will become X. So A, B and C, it straight away it come to our target at 1050 or nearest to this zone. I will exit, and then I won't immediately buy, because whether it is in a 5-way structure or a 3-way structure is coming to end, we can't say, because it's a B, C is, it means if it is a W, again the Y way also splitted into the W, X, A, B, C, or this is becomes a 5-way structure A, B, so C contains of 5-way structure. So immediately it will become a 1, 2, so 3 is bigger, little bit bigger, and then the consolidation zone, that only will decide if whether we are in that making of a 5-way structure, or it will bounce from here to complete this structure, and then it will become a bullish also. once that 98.3 is reached in the DXY, from here it can go to break this high, because here this is just W, X, A is finished here, because I took it as a triangle. If it is a W, this is a X, means this is a A. So we are in the B wave. So this kind of wave has to form here. Once it reaches this zone, I need this structure, this kind of wave structure. It's a A. So these are all the B, and from here it has to shoot to break this high. Whether it is going to break this high or this high, this high has to break, that is confirmed. So this high, it may break or may not, that I can't say. So let's see, and we will move on to GBP USD. So here also same, it's a finish the 5 swings. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, not 5 waves, I'm talking about the swings. So after the 5 swings, whether it could be in 3-way swings to the upper side and then fall, or this is the end of W. If it is a X, so ABCY is ended, means this has to shoot from here itself for 1.31. So this whole thing becomes a ABC. So A, the whole thing becomes B and C. So this B wave is a totally this called as a pattern is a running flat, because it's already broken the high and it's not yet broken the low. So this whole thing becomes a running flat of B. Whether if it is a W, this will become X, or A means this becomes B, and then C will continue to this. So whether if it going to like this, or it will give more complex correction, means this W, X, A, B, C is over here, it's a W, the whole thing becomes an X, and one more wave to the downside to break this low is also possible. Whether it is an it's looking like a V reversal, this is also an impulsive wave to the downside and an impulsive wave to the upper side, but it's not looking like, see, everything is a sharp. That is why I'm not trading the GBP pairs. This is not looking like a correction. For the any other pattern in Euro USD, that will be very messy, or any other pattern. Only the GBP pairs only, it will short fall and then sharp rise, and again see in other pairs how it will look like. This is a short fall, we took it as an impulsive, and this is the correction, and expecting for that one more high for ABC. And if we thinking like that, if it took the position here according to the Fib retracement at 78.6, and we are already having a support zone, if it took and we will place a stop loss here for expecting this zone, that we will get stopped out. So only for me the GBP pair looking like this only in every time. See, this is, it's not looking like a 3-way structure, but this is as a, we have to consider as a 3-way structure. This is also same thing if we took it as an irregular flat here. So that is why I'm not trading the GBP pairs. It's a little tough for me to identify that waves here. So this could also a possible wave count. This becomes a W, here is an X or A or B. Here if it is why I'm placing here means we consider it as an expanded flat, and again the wave is finished, means this could be, looks like a 5-way structure also. So that is why I placed A. So whole thing becomes a B, and C can travel to the downside also, it's possible. So if it is a W, X means we will get the 3-way structure. So anyway, there is a possible to make this low. I'm not saying it has to break. It's a possible for this move, and then it can go upper side. For my target of 1.31 or 1.32 above this also it's possible. So it depends upon here. Either this is an end of the C wave here, or this is a starting of the impulsive wave to the upper side. So if it is an A means the B is ended here. If it is an W means X. So again, whether it is a small a or it will took a bigger phi wave as a and then again correction for the B and then C, that is also a possible. So either we have to watch here. Only if it break this high, you can go for the long. At least 1.27 is possible. Or whether it is an aggressive movement, then it will continue for that 5-way structure. So if the 5-way structure is over, we can label it as a WXA also, or if it is a B and smaller C has also finished. So it's a very tough here to identify the trend. But if it comes and it breaks this low, you have to prepare for buying. So whether it is going to break this low as an expanded flat, or it will, without breaking this low, it will break this and then it will took off for the running flat, can't say. So we have to first watch the wave formation here, but seems it's a one more wave to this, up to this 1.238 is possible, seems here. It's a small ABC is forming here. So this is my view in GBP USD. So next, yeah, Australian dollar. Australian dollar is also, it's looking like forming a triangle, what I said in the previous, whether it is the forming of that X wave is a triangle or that intermediate wave B is a triangle. That is a question mark here. I already explained that in the previous. So A, B, because it didn't break this low and it didn't break this high also. So it could be an A, B, C, D, E. If it is a E is completed and the X wave is completed, means we will get a short fall for the C or Y wave to the downside. Or if it is going to little bit downside and it didn't break this low, means again it can do like this. So then that B wave become the triangle. So A, B, C, D, E ended here, means this is an A, B, C. So once it didn't break this high, without breaking that high, it can fall from here also. So the whole thing becomes W and X will be here. Again 3-way structure to the Y way is possible. Or from here itself it can come to the downside in a 3-way structure. So if it is a 3-way structure, again one wave to the upper side is possible. So that we have to mind. Or if it breaking aggressively this channel, then that will be considered as a fully, what I said in DXY. If it get rejected at 98.3, and then again if it crossed that and closed above that 98.3 and the channel, once again I will show you that this channel, then that will become a bullish. So at that time it can do more bearish. So once, what we have to consider is whether if it is bounced from this channel to the upper side, that will become the Z wave to complete, or if it struggling here and aggressively it came down and break this channel, so then that will be a deeper correction is going on. Or it could break this low also, what I said in the previous my positional view. If it is a positional view, it has to break this, what I said in the previous, but I'm not expecting it has to break. it may break. There is a chances still, but it's looking like a V reversal. I said last time also it's a very V reversal, and here also that V reversal and then again fall. So every time that V reversal, see here, this is an aggressive V reversal and then again fall. So this could be a, what I said is this could be a connecting wave. So W X Y is finished here, then again it could continue for that X wave, and then Z wave has to break this low. So that is a possible positional view for me. So this is, I think you can understand. So we move on to the New Zealand dollar. So this New Zealand dollar, it's a little bit looking like an expanding triangle. So expanding triangle means only here it's not a both way is expanding. Only this bottom is a flat and the top is expanding. So this is also called an expanding triangle. So this becomes a W, means A, B, C, it's already broken, and D, it's didn't broke this low, and then again it already break this high. So here there is a one more wave to the upper side is possible, and again it may get severe rejection and it may fall. As I said, in Australian dollar, it may either, it can from here took it that channel as an support, it can bounce back for that Z wave. Here also the Y wave is ended, and X, whether it is going to end here, or if it is the end of the whole thing pattern. This is a three-way structure, it's completed. I'm expecting the five-way corrective pattern. It may cross this channel, this bearish channel, bearish trend line, this thing. So that is why I'm not took any buy trades here. I'm just keep on selling. I sold, and I have explained that from here I took a buy and I closed, and again immediately last week I took a sell and immediately I closed here. But I didn't took any buy position here, because it could happen like this also, it can happen. So that is why I'm not taking that a buy trade setup in the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, EU. I keep on selling in every high. So now I took a sell already at 6515. I already took the sell. Still now I keep on watching and I didn't done anything. If it comes here again, I will add one more, and not at all to add any more, because I'm just watching here. It has to get decline. So if it decline means if it get rejected from here, I will book that what I have did here. That one position I will close within this zone. Within this zone I will book, and I will just keep only one trade to the take profit. Whether it is going, I need to watch here. This zone I need to watch, because this is the end of the trend and it will go and retest what I said in Australian dollar. Same, it has a chances for making a Z wave also, and the DXY also same thing. What I did expecting here is that if it get rejected at 98.3, and there is a chances for 94.5 also, or it can be a bullish scenario from here. So that is my view in New Zealand dollar. So let's move on to USD CAD. So USD CAD I just bought. So USD CAD, what I'm expecting, that same. I will show you that whether if it is a W, X, or A, B, C is over, or one W, X, Y is over. So anyway, here the three-way structure is completed. Again, as I said, it may continue as a Z wave also to the downside. So it's already, what I said, it's accepting this trend line, bearish trend line, and keep on getting rejected in this zone. And what I did is I entered here. at 1.355 I entered. I didn't done anything. I just kept for a positional view what I said. It has one more wave to the upper side, but because this structure is not completed, it's looking like a three-way structure, but here the wave structure is not yet completed. So that is why this looks like an impulsive wave, this and this. But what I'm saying is, in my view, this could be a irregular flat. So I need one more wave to the upper side is possible. This is my view. So I'm just waiting for that only. This wave I need here. So I placed already a stop here because we didn't know whether it will going to that downside. It's already, for me it's looked like that, but it may happen it already ended also, but I'm not so satisfied. I'll show you here. I'm not so satisfied here, this zone, whether if we took it as an A B C, A again B C, so this is a little bit differently looking like. I'm not considered as a five-way structure. This is a three-way structure. Whether it is three-way structure is ended here or here. So if we took it this as an A B C here and one more impulsive wave A B C, so A B C, and again for this A we need a C. So this is what I'm looking for. But here it is not looking like an for me it's not looking like ended. That is why I'm keep on saying. So that is why I have already placed that stop loss. It's nearly 240 pips. So I'm expecting one more wave to that, because it can do like this also. So I'm already having a buying position at 1.3425, but I think this channel is getting rejected. It may take a support here, and it may get rejected from here itself for that bouncing. So I just keep on watching this zone, that 480, 1.3480. So if it is fine means I won't add, because only that 70 pips is there. So I will add only if it comes to that 425, and I won't add more here in this zone 470. In that 480 470 zones I won't took more position here. I won't add because I already had one position. So I'm just keep on watching this correction has to end. After then I will looking for that buy. So at the time I took an intraday trade also. I will took intraday. If it breaks this high or that intermediate wave, once the A is completed or 1 is completed, I keep on watching that. In that second wave or B wave I will took a trade. If it crossed that A wave, I think like this, if it get rejected and it may bounce from here, I allow this one, and after the pullback I will enter here once it break this A or 1 wave 1. So for that intraday trade I will took about, for example I'm explaining here. So this kind of, after this kind of wave formation I will took a buy once it broke the A or wave 1. Then I will book the profit nearly, if it is 100 pips or 80 pips for the intraday, or little bit swing trade for the next day, or I will place a TP and then it will trigger. So that is my plan in UCAD. So we will move on to USD JPY. So USD JPY also, it bounced from here, and what I did is I took a short here expecting here this rejection, and immediately I thought this could be a W, X, so A may finish and B. So in this zone, I immediately book the profit. It's just a 50 pips here, and then I keep on watching that, and it already get in my entry of I thought it may reach that 108.3 or 108.4, but I am having at that 108.6. I am having a a long position, and just keep on watching that. So what I am thinking here is, this is a, so this could be an expanded flat of B. See, everybody and including me, including myself, I'm looking for this kind of wave pattern for the C wave. What it may do, that is my question mark, because it didn't break this low yet. It didn't break that. I have already saw that 106.07 and this is 106.01. so this is then possible again, because if it is a zigzag pattern, this could be a W, X, A, B, C, means here the one complete three-way structure is finished. So here also three-way finished, and here also three-way finished. From here it's looking like a five-way structure also. Here in this zone, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this could be a diagonal, leading diagonal also. So again what it will do is A. After what we expecting here is, from here if it comes to this zone, everybody looking for a sell in this zone to catch this as a C wave. But what it may do is, once again I will delete this, what it may do is it will fall like this, took this as in support, and from here it can shoot. So at that time all the stop loss will trigger here, because we are expecting the C wave is a 5-way contains. So everybody and including me, it's a wave 1. So according to the Elliott waves, wave 2 cannot be go beyond this wave 1. So everybody will place the stop loss here, and we looking for that 50% or 68.6 or 78.6 to sell, and it will come after once that AB is equal to CD pattern. It may do like this also. This is also possible. Everybody looking for that downside, it will took off from here. So that time we need to be an alert. That is why I am explaining it. This is also possible because it didn't break this low. So this could be a ABC also, this could be a ABC also, means this becomes W. So this is the end of the connecting wave X. So this becomes a AR1 and BR2, and C can shoot from here to break this, or it can continue and going like this also, because here is one ABC is finished. Here is one A, B, C is finished. We didn't break this low yet. We are expecting the complex correction as a connecting wave, and this is an A, B, C. Everything it looks like a book trade, but there is a chances for making this. So then what it will do is this whole thing become a connecting wave. This becomes a W, intermediate wave W, and this becomes an intermediate wave X, A, B, C. Once it break that 109.85, or it could be 110.8 and rejecting, from this zone it can do like this. So this whole thing becomes a connecting wave. Here A, B, C is over, so this bigger A, B, C is a connecting wave, and again this kind of wave formation it can form here up to 104, 103.8. it's possible. So this is also one pattern here. We need to identify that. So everybody, that is why I'm not took any sell. I'm keep on buying only. If it is a sell also, I immediately book the profit in 40 to 50 pips. I'm not selling this also. I'm just keep on watching that early morning. Exactly it came what I expected, but even though I'm not sold that position, because I'm not sure about this in the sell to catch the C wave. Everybody we can sell. That is why it's a very aggressive here. But this is also possible. So mind that trade, because why I'm telling that is it's correlating to that stocks and correlating to the gold, because I will show you that gold, because I'm just correlating and then I am getting the, I am expecting the two already I have posted yesterday. So two scenarios I have found. So if it is coming to the downside, UJ can go upper side. And one more view is just for fun I did that drawing here. So if you're not liking, apologies for that. Just for fun I did. I'm looking here is one more short way to the downside for the 1695, and then it can be a consolidation in the triangle, because I took it as a 1 here. Here is a 1, so I think I'm not getting that. Okay, anyway 1 2, so 3 is ended here. So we are in the fourth way triangle of the ending diagonal, or it could be a flat correction here and then it can shoot from here also to end of the fifth way. So if it is doing like for the first view 1, I have already shared my view. This is a view 1. So either this could be a triangle or a flat for the fourth wave. There is a still chances for making 1800 to 1825. Everybody it's looking like the same. I'm just little bit a contrarian thinking. I'm just sharing that all those things. So either this view is possible or this view is possible. So this is also just to for the birthday cake to congrats that 1800 mark it can reach also. So this is a little bit deeper correction I'm expecting. Yeah, I will show you that how I am expecting that here. So I took it as a triangle. So A is finished, B is also finished. C, we are in the ending diagonal. So at that time, this could be a B means ended here. C is a 1. So this is a 2. So the whole thing becomes a 3 is ended here. So expecting the fourth wave, or this could be fourth wave and fifth wave. Fourth wave is ended here for the according to the first view, and the fifth wave I am expecting. Or it could be an A, B, C is a Y wave, and that X wave will be a irregular flat. So in that, this is the intermediate wave W and the intermediate wave X is finished, because this is the 5-way structure. So once the 5-way structure is over, at the top, this is the end of the 5-way structure. So that is why I'm sharing that all my views. So if it is an end of that X wave in the 3-way 5-way corrective structure pattern for the AX, so A, B, C is possible means UJ also go above what I'm expecting. So that is my view in UJ. So everybody looking for that downside, and it can do like this also. So I'm not so biased, and I'm not sticking to my counts. I'm little flexible. Why? Whether if it break this 106.1, I will buy. Otherwise I won't buy intermediately, and I won't sell in this trade setup, because I'm already having a buy at 108.6. So if it break above this, and I'm just looking for this wave aggressive, if it is aggressive or what, and then I correlated to the stocks and I correlated to the gold, and then only I will exit my position here. So this is my view in UJ. So let's move on to the USD CHEF. Same plan, whether it is an X and end of the Y wave here of the intermediate, and then this W for the X, that is why I marked the question mark. Or this could be an A, B, the red line, this could be an A, B, C as an irregular flat. So this becomes a B, C is a W, X. So A is finished, we are still in the B wave. So once the B wave is ended, it can come up to this level, 9630. After then I am expecting a fall, because this wave is not yet completed. If it is a, we took it as an irregular flat. So that is why you just keep go into that trading view also. In my profile I just explained everything. So if this red line is if we took it as an irregular flat, one more this kind of three-way structure has to happen. So once that happens, A whole thing becomes B, and then C has to drop, or whether the whole thing becomes an A or W, X. So A, B, C is finished. So this W, and we already in the three-way structure has got completed, X. So we are in that bullish scenario. So that is also a possible. So mind that UJ, UCHEF, we need to watch and enter. It's not blindly. If it reach here, I will enter, and otherwise I won't sell here, because we are not confident in this whether it is ended or not. So once it get here, and if it get rejected and if it break this low, means this plan is trade plan is valid. So we will took a buy here, and then we will go for that bullish swing to 1, up to the target is 1. So whether if it didn't break this low, it will keep going on. So that could be a little bit complex correction that we will watch, and I will inform you. So right now this week I am expecting a little bit up to 9630. So I am only in buy side, but I am already traded at UJ, so that is why I am not going to trade the UCHEF just for analyzing. I just keep on watching. For the intraday, if it is a fine, I will took the intraday also. So let's move on to next. Is UCHEF is over. So gold I already explained. So once again we will go to the gold. So whether the A, B, C is a Y is ended. So this A, B, C. See, Y is ended here, it's not here. Y is ended here. So this could be an anyway, it's looking like a three-way structure for me. From the past itself, I'm just explaining that. So I don't want to again and again. It's a or W. So the whole thing becomes, see, it's ABC1, ABC2 is completed here. A, B, C is a 3 is 4 is complete. 3 is completed. What I did is in the past, I will explain that. According to first, I will complete this one. 1, 2, 3. So the whole thing becomes an running flat. So whole thing becomes A means A, B, C, B, and A, B, C, C is over. So the fourth wave is over, and the fifth wave is also A, B, and C is 1, 2. The whole thing becomes 3 here, and fourth. Fifth way is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here the 5-way structure is completed. So that is why I had a doubt here. It's looking like a 5-way structure. Anyway, if it is a 5-way structure, or A, B, what I explained, A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, or it could be an simply, if we look, just we will draw the swings 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this here anyway the 5-way is getting completed. So that is why what I am explaining here is, this is the one possibility. if it is a W or A and X or B, sorry, X or B, yeah, and here if it is an X means we will get a deeper pullback also. So because this, the whole thing become a in X wave is a running flat. So Y is here after the completion of A, B, C, Y. So the whole thing becomes a X, and then again for the Z wave we need to go above this ABC, or what I said the previous, this could be a ABC, I have put it as an Y, so we can place it as a 1, 2, so the whole thing becomes a 3 is ended here. So fourth 3 is ended here because I took it as A, B, here is ABC A, ABC B. So here how I took it as in the previous, in the 4 hour, A, B, C as a A, B, C as a B, 1, 2, here ABC A, ABC B, and C is a 1, 2, 3, fourth is a triangle, and fifth way is ended. So if that is possible means we have to place the third wave here. Here we have to place wave 1, here we have to place wave 2, so 3 is get over. Now this becomes, this has a chances for making the fourth wave as a irregular flat. So there will be a short fall I am expecting for that fourth wave. So once it completed to break this low as an expanded flat, or this wave as a running flat, I am expecting from that 1 to that upper side. So once this is ended means the fourth wave is get completed here, one more A, B, C to the Z wave, sorry, that fifth wave. So 1, 2, 3, 4 as a running flat or expanded flat, and then again 5 A, B, C has to go above this high. So that is nearly 1825 to 1800 to 1825 is possible, or maybe 1850 in the spike. So if it happened, that is the end of the whole correction. This pattern is the end. I'll show you. This W, X has ended as a triangle, A, B, C, 1, A, B, C, 2, so 3 is ended here, 4 yet to make a 4, and then again A, B, C, 5 means this looking like a wedge formation also here. The whole form, it's a wedge formation, and then from here it has to fall, severe fall I am expecting. Nearly the my first target for the positional is 1375 in this zone, or 1400. 1375 to 1400 is possible. So once that completed, whether this could be making a bigger one, what I said, so I have to change my all positions to analyzing to this thing, that ICEIs, because they are getting the huge data, because in that FXCM or CFDs it's not like that. See, I have already did that. This could be a wave 1 here, but we are not getting this data in that. We are starting from here itself, so we took it as an impulsive here, but this is a possible wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3. So whether we are in that fourth wave, or it's a simple ABC, it's finished and we are in the downside, that can't identify here. how the USD CAD, like that only this also. So 3 ABC is a A, ABC is a B, and again ABC C. So this could be a triangle also. That is why I have explained here whether it is going to upward side for the irregular, because this is the A wave is completed, B can go above this wave also, so that will become B, C, D, E, and then it will took off. Or if it is an A, B, C is want to go over, means that is also there is a chances for A, B, C to the downside. And from here also if it comes to the downside, that is also possible. Because if it is a B, C is completed here, this becomes A and B. If it is a regular flat, C has to break this 1040. So for the C wave, or if it is a triangle also, there is no needed to break all those things. I'm just explaining it can come from here to that nearly again 1200 or 1375. So that will become A, B, C, D, E, and then it will took off for the fifth wave. So that is also possible. And let's move on to that silver. Silver also I explained this A, B, and we are on the C wave. So I am expecting a rejected at 19200 from here for a running flat, because A, B, C means if already over, I'm expecting the intermediate wave. I will explain that positional, we will see that how that I'm explaining that gold A, B, C as an irregular flat, and again because I'm treating as an only irregular flat because that wave structure is not completed here. Lot of my friends also asked me, the low is also already bottomed. Everybody asking like that only, but I am not sure about that. But still I won't sell. I will keep buying only. If it comes to the downside, I will keep buying only. I am not selling, but keep on watching that. I will look for the swing trade or for the intraday trade, because if it get the 5-way structure is over, I am expecting the 3-way, bigger 3-way structure, nearly that $14 is possible in either case, whether if it is a bullish or if it is a bearish. So let's move on to that forward chart. So whether here it is a confusion for me, I thought this it has to come to the downside for that C wave, D and E, but it already broke this high and this high also. So whether what I didn't done anything, I just keep simply watching that gold and silver. I'm not trading anything. So whether it could be an A, B, C, D, E is over here, and there is a possible for that E ended here means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after that it's a very strong rejection here, because here is also wave 1 is a very small 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is a chances for that also. Or in past what I did is, it could be a wave 1. So wave 2 is ended here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if it is like that, 3 and 4 is ended here, fifth way means, so whether I'm expecting still 19200 has to reach. So if it is not a triangle, this could be a B, C. So here also A, B, it could be a triangle also, it could be a C also, and again A, B and C. This is also possible. So if it is there means this whole thing becomes A, B, C, and again D, E. There is a bigger triangle, it's also possible. Keep graining. And then it will took off. So still now it is in consolidation zone only. So that is why I'm not too confident in anything in this gold and silver especially. That is why I'm not trading that. Just keep on watching. So whether if it is making like this kind of triangle, or either it could break like this, or without breaking this, because it's already an irregular flat, so this becomes an X or B. So it could be from here itself it can shoot, expecting the triangle, either from here it can shoot. So if it is shooting means, again I mean again and again, see, this is an A, B, C is completed. So whether it is completed here or here, that is the question mark. Or still one more wave is possible. Didn't know anything. But we don't want to buy in this zone. This is all full resistance zone. No need to buy expecting that because it is still $1 only. So unnecessarily we don't want to trade too risky trades. Just we watch this. If it is completed, we can short here at least for the $14 or $15 to this zone. Unnecessarily we are taking buy here for expecting that. That is not a good trade for me. So that is why I'm just keep on watching, not trading anything here, silver. So let's move on to Bitcoin. So that is also did anything. It's not a valid setup, and it is still consolidating only. The daily, see, still consolidating. Once I have exited at 9k, once it broke then this here itself, I'm not trading anything from April, May, June is over, now July. For the 2 months it's still consolidating. So either this is a distributing or accumulating concept. Only if it break above this and close above in the daily chart, that is considered as same, this kind of wave formation. Or it can down, first it has to break this low 8.1, then only I will took a trade. According to that only I will took a trade, not here. Don't buy and don't sell here. So let's move on to S&P. So we need to watch crude, US oil. The same thing, US oil also. I exited my position. My average was that what I said the past. My average was 40, and 40 I exited my break even. I had already bought at 48, 40, 24, and everything. My average was at 40. So at the time I didn't exit here because my past analysis it could reach up to $44. But once again it keep filed, and again if it comes here, I know this is a 5-way structure and I am looking for the 3-way structure. So at that time here I exited my position at 40. So I'm still holding from the February 28th or 26th. Started to buy at 45, 48, and then again 45. Again I took a buy at 39.75 and keep the 8 lots, and everything I booked in break even now. So that is why I'm not placing any stop loss. From the February I'm just holding the trade. From February 20 means it's already almost June 20. March, April, May, June. It's already 4 months. So only that swap nearly $2,000, I think so. I accepted my accepted my loss of $2,000. So now I'm just looking, only keep on watching, because whether it is going to be a here is one doubt. It's a wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is entered here, means it's a bigger 1, bigger 2, bigger 3. So 4 is a triangle, and here is a wave 1. So sometimes it's already here, if it is an ended means it's already broke that high. So whether that bigger one is completed here and we are in that downside as an irregular flat, or that fifth way is extended in the ending diagonal. So if it is an ending diagonal, wave 1, ABC2, ABC3, and we are in that ABC4 is ended here, or it may end it here. It's very confusing here. That is why I have exited my position at break even. So whether if it is a B, C has to fall, because bigger one is ended here, it may end here. So A, B, C has to come to the 24. So in that confusion only. So anyway, if it goes to that 42.5 anyway, so I'm not so confident here to took my position here and the break even. I no need to lose anything. So that is why I exited. Just keep on watching only. Just now I'm not going to sell, and now I'm not going to buy here, because I just now I exited. I need to watch because I have already confused, and then only I exited. So in the confusion status, I don't want to enter the trade. Just it has to clear, because I'm expecting the UCAD has to be a bullish. So at that time it can come to the downside also. So now I'm concentrating only in that forex pairs, not in gold, silver, and crude. So this is my view. I think you get my view. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a bigger 1, bigger 2, bigger 3 is ended. Bigger 4 and 5 is an looking like an ending diagonal, or it's already ended here and we are in that irregular flat. So if it is an irregular flat, A is ended here, B is ended here, and we are in that C wave. Or either it could be a W, X, A, B, and C. So that is also possible. Or it could be a 1, 2, 3, and we are in the fourth wave, and then again fifth wave to the upper side for the ending diagonal. And if we watch the WTICO USD, so that is also see if it is a ended here means it has to come to the downside. So either way, this is the end of the fifth wave means the whole thing becomes an ended in the diagonal form. So either we are keeping it as a wave 1 or A, and we are on the B wave. So that is why I exited. And in IC markets it's also looking the same. So let's move on to next S&P 500. So here I have explained. So whether this is a 5-way structure or a 3-way structure is completed here. Whether we took it as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or the whole thing becomes a 1, 2, 3, anyway the 3-way structure, and we are in that downside, and it's already did a 5-way structure here to the downside. So here it took only 6 days from here to here, and now that A, B, C correction took nearly 16 days, and it already broken that, it already broken the high. So this ABC is finished. It can come to the downside, but it won't come immediately. For me it's look like that. It may or may not, because this is a bigger drop. So this is a 5-way structure is ended here in the impulsive. So correction may took more time. So simply ABC is over means again it can consolidate here, or it has a chances for breaking to that 2.7 is possible if it is a simple correction. So once if it coming to the downside, stocks are falling means gold can go higher. So JPY can come to the downside. USD JPY will get strong. CHF gets strong. So this is why I correlated to that, whether it is going to drop or it could continue like this making a irregular flat, and then bigger consolidation will be happen here. So if it is doing like this and already took the high, there is a chances for that this kind of wave formation here, or it will give more consolidation. So anyway we need to be in sell side here. So at that time, see here how it looks like. Here it's a 5-way is not yet ended here. It's look like 1 2 3 4 5 is ended here. So this bigger 1 2 3 is ended here. 4 is now we are in the fourth wave, and 5 one more wave to the possibility of 3190, like that. It can be like that. Or if it is an A B C is a W X, so at that time what it will happen here is the 5-way is completed, so this becomes W X A, and then for drop for the B, drop for the B, and then C will took off above the high. So that time this whole thing becomes an impulsive wave for the 5-way structure as a A, and whole thing becomes a B in a irregular flat, and C, if it is an expanded flat, it can go below this, or it could as a running flat, and then again it can shoot, or it will more consolidation, because this is an impulsive wave. It took nearly from here approximately to this zone nearly 77 days or 377 bars. I need 61.8 to correct to the double the time, or most of the time above that this things. So nearly, if it is a mostly to for the 390 bars also, another 77 days or 78 days, it will be consolidated here itself. So that is my view, because this is a bigger impulsive wave, 5-way structure, or either it is a 3-way structure. Again we need a 3-way structure, because if it is a 3-way structure, this is a correction. So for this correction we need another one more correction. So for the correction will took more time than what we expected, and it will confuse lot of things. So this is my view. So for this week I'm expecting there is a, it's not a completed the 5-way structure, so there is a one more high is possible for a 3190, and then we have to watch this zone, whether if it is a B C is over, or if it is a W X A B C is a 5-way structure. So that is the thing we have to watch here. So let's move on to US 30. Same, what I expecting here is 1A is over here of the intermediate wave, how that SPX came down like that. Here is a 5-way structure, and here that wave is here is one ABC is completed, means it has to shoot from here. But this wave formation, it's not looking like a 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5. So this as an ending diagonal in the 5th wave, or it could be a ABC ABC and the C is in an ending diagonal. So if it is a W, this becomes a X, means ABC has to come to the downside, again it has to break, or the whole thing becomes ended, means this B wave, and we are in the wave 1 is completed, we are on the wave 2. So once wave 2 is completed, we has to be in buy side to break above this zone. So whether if it is in bullish, what we are thinking in SPX, it's already in S&P 500, it's already broken that high, this high it's already broken, but in US 30 it's not yet broken, that it's not yet broken. So whether that will be consolidated according to this view. It may make a 1 2 3 4 5 as a diagonal. Slowly it will come, and S&P 500 how it will move, can't say. So whether it has to come down and SPX also come down and it will make an irregular flat, so that will also make an what I said, it could be a little bit consolidation. So I'm looking for the drop. So after making this, I'm making this, and then it could be a three-way structure. If it is a aggressive fall, no need to exit our position, it will break that low. Or if it is very messy kind of overlapping, means if it comes to the downside, that US 30 also come to the downside, what I'm expecting, after that it will bounce from here, whether it has to break this high or near to that. It's looking like a double top like that, and then again it can come to the downside. So to break this low, so at this time, this zone US 30 can do, and once again I will explain you. If there is a one more wave to the 3190 in S&P SP 500, okay, here after that completion of the 5 waves, this can, because I am expecting the downside, so this can do an irregular flat. Once it did that, the S&P 500 also come to the downside, and again I am looking for that bullish scenario, then it can make a high also here after once this completed. So I changed the color, don't confuse that. I need to change this as a red, this as a green, so there is not an issue. So once this wave is completed, whether it is going to still struggling here, because it has to do, it's not a very simple correction, it won't take off here. So this is my view. If it getting any interesting view, if I got, immediately I will post in my page, and in as well as in Trading View also. So you have to follow the Trading View on my Facebook pages, then only you can get an update, because this is a weekly analyzing only. A weekly only once I have I already have did this YouTube, so you won't get any information about that updated chart. So I think we finished everything. DXY, Euro USD, GBP, AU, New Zealand, USD CAD, USD JPY, CHF, gold, silver, crude, Bitcoin, S&P, USD. Yeah, we already finished. So I think you enjoy my analyzing, and I think you are learning more in Elliott waves. So thanks for watching that, and you can, for that encouragement and for the likes and for the shares everybody is doing. So thanks for them also, and keep encouraging me. So thanks a lot, and we will see in the next video, the next week analyzing. So thanks a lot, and bye.